The following message has been translated request of Brookhaven government at approximately 19:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The International Space Station, also known as ISS, has crashed on Earth and it was hit by an unknown missile traveling to 120 miles per hour. All residents in Brookhaven must seek shelter immediately. Follow the instructions below. Number 1. Do not touch the International Space Station. If it's on fire, do not touch it. Number 2. Ignore the International Space Station. 3. Do not make the creature angry.
The following message has been translated request of Brookhaven government at approximately 1:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Citizens, get out of Brookhaven immediately. The leader who was controlling the airship was identified as 4 is the alien leader of all aliens. Evacuate now.